Good morning, students. Today we are going to see our next chapter, that is Jungle Safari. As you can see in the picture that there are multiple animals are there in this picture. What we have to do, we have to look at the picture for a minute, close the book and tell the name of the animals. So I will ask you the name of the animals one by one, and before I give the names of these animals, you have to try to answer before me. Okay? मीन्स मुझसे पहले आपको इन एनिमल्स के नाम बताने की कोशिश करनी है while watching the video. ठीक है? What is this? Who is it? It is a deer. क्या है ये? Deer. Okay? What is it? क्या है ये? Elephant. It is an elephant. What is it? It is a monkey. Then who is he? He is a bear. Okay? Who is it? It is a ant. It is an ant. What is it? It is a bee. Okay? What is it? It is a honey bee. Then it is so simple. It is so simple. Tell me what it is the name. What is the name of this? This is a butterfly. What is it then? Next, it is a camel. What is it? It is a turtle. Then next one. Try to answer before me. What is it? It is a snake. Then a peacock. Next, a squirrel. Next, it is so easy. It is a rabbit. Then it is a tiger. Then it is a lion. Okay, this was so simple. This is jungle safari. Means all these animal lives in a jungle. Okay, only we have to spell, or we have to tell the names of these animals. Okay, hope you have done this activity while watching this video. And next, this will be your homework for this activity, in which you have to find the smaller words hidden in the big words. Mean, for example, peacock, 3 words are there. Means and more 2 words you have to make. P is there, cock is there, cake is there. We can make smaller words from these big words. Elephant, we can make hat, hat. Then many pen, pen, pan. Many more words are there. Butterfly, you can make fly word. Rabbit, bit, tortoise. Tortoise, from tortoise you can make rose. Okay, from these types of smaller words you have to make. Next we will see this story in this video, and one more chapter activity, but I am taking this story and this activity within this video because there is no homework on this chapter and this activity. That's why I am taking this chapter and that activity within this video only. Okay? Toto the hen. Toto the hen means, from the topic name, I hope you have known that Toto is the name of the hen. As you can see in the picture, there is one hen, and what is her name? Her name is Toto. So we will start the story. Rahish had a pet. Who is Rahish? As you can see in this picture, there is one boy and his name is Rahish. Rahish had a pet. He had a pet. She was a black hen. And who is she? She was a black hen. Her name was Toto. Her name was Toto. The black hen's name, who was Rahish's pet, her name was Toto. Toto lived in a coop. Toto was a very smart hen. Okay, now Toto lived in a coop where hens and cocks and chickens live in a coop. So Toto also lived in a coop, and Toto was very smart hen. Now what happened? As you can see in the picture, Rahish is taking care of her pet, that is Toto, and she was a black hen. Rahish used to give food to her every day and played with her as she was her pet and she was his pet, and he used to play with her and give food every day to her. They became good friends. Rahish and Toto became good friends. When Toto laid an egg, she used to make a special sound, cock, cock, cock. When Toto laid an egg, मीन्स जब भी वो अंडे देती थी टोटो, तो वो एक स्पेशल साउंड निकालती थी, कॉक कॉक कॉक. द रहीश केम आउट एंड फेड टोटो एंड टूक द एग फॉर हिम. और रहीश बाहर निकलता था और क्या करता था, टोटो को खाने के लिए देता था और उसके अंडे लेता था. वन नाइट रहीश वॉज स्लीपिंग इन द बेड. ही हर्ड द स्पेशल साउंड, टोटो कॉक कॉक कॉक. Again, this one night, what happened? Rahish was sleeping in the bed, and he heard the special sound of Toto when Toto makes for Rahish. Okay, what was the sound? Cock, cock, cock. Rahish came out from the house, and Rahish came out of the house, thinking of what happened. Why Coco is calling me? Toto is calling me. Toto ran to Rahish and picked his leg. मीन्स वो रहीश के पास टोटो भाग के गई और वो अपनी चोट से उसकी लेग को ये मारने लगी. देन रहीश लुक्ड अराउंड टू सी व्हाट हैपेंड. सो रहीश आजू बाजू देखने लग गया कि क्या हो गया, टोटो ऐसे क्यों कर रही है. ही स्मेल्ड समथिंग बर्निंग. देन रहीश स्मेल्ड समथिंग बर्निंग मीन्स कुछ तो जल रहा था. ओ माई गॉड, द कोप इज ऑन फायर, he shouted. The coop was in a mess. Then what happened? As you can see in this picture, Toto's coop was in a fire. Means Toto का जो घर था, जो कोप था जिसमें टोटो रहती थी, वो जलने लग गया था. तो वो रहीश ने ओ माई गॉड द कोप इज़ ऑन फायर ऐसे चिल्लाया और रहीश रैन टू द टैप of water and took a pipe. As you can see in the picture, Rahish took a pipe of water. Then he showered the water and put out the fire. और इस तरह से रहीश ने वो आग बुझाई. Then what happened? Then Rahish bent and picked up Toto. You smart hen, my dear friend. और रहीश ने टोटो को प्यार से कहा कि यू स्मार्ट हैन. वो स्मार्ट हैन थी क्योंकि अगर टोटो उसको स्पेशल साउंड करके नहीं बुलाती और उसके लेग को पिक नहीं करती, मीन्स चोट से अपने उसके लेग को सिग्नल नहीं देती कि कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, ऐसा हो रहा है, तो रहीश को पता चलता कि वहाँ पे फायर आग लग चुकी है, नहीं पता चलता. सो रहीश ने उसको इनकरेज किया टोटो को. यू हैव सेव्ड माई फार्म सेड रहीश. और रहीश ने ये कहा कि तुमने मेरा फार्म बचाया है. टोटो हैप्पीली रिप्लाइड टू रहीश. What Toto will reply to Rahish, and how she will reply? Cock, cock, cock. Because hens, cocks and chickens only reply with this same line, cock, cock, cock. So this was the story of Toto the hen and Rahish. Okay, now let's know more about animal. We will see our next activity, that is let's know more about animals. Look, listen and read. We have to look, listen and read. Okay, animals, shelters and sound. So in this first column there are animals names as well as their pictures, and in the second column there are animals shelters as well as their pictures, and in third column there are animals sound, the sound which respective animals make. Okay, so first animal is hen. As we have seen in the last story that hen lives in coop, means hen's shelter is coop, and they make sound cluck. They make sound cock cock cock, but the sound's name is cluck. Okay, then second animal is horse. As you can see in this picture, second one is horse. The shelter of horse is stable. The shelter of horse is stable, and the sound the horse makes is knee. What? Knee. Then the third animal is dog. Dogs lives in a kennel. Dogs lives in kennel, and the sound which dog makes is bark. Dogs are barking, right? Like bow wow. Okay. Then the fourth animal is lion. Lions lives in a den. गुफा में रहते हैं ना lions, तो और lion makes the sound roar. Roar करते हैं ना वो. Next animal is an elephant. Elephant lives in jungle. Okay, and they make sound trumpet with their trumps. Okay. Next animal is bee, and bee lives in beehive. Okay, she is a busy bee, means all day she is working and she lives in a beehive. Okay, from where you get sweet honey and eat it. So she lives in that only beehive, and she makes the sound buzz. Okay. Then next animal is a mouse. Mouse lives in a hole. कुछ लोगों के घर में हो सकते हैं माउस, और वो माउस कहाँ रहते हैं? होल में रहते हैं, और वो साउंड कैसा निकालते हैं? स्क्विक स्क्विक. ओके. देन लास्ट एनिमल इज डक. इज ए डक. ओके. डक्स लिव्स इन वाटर एंड शी मेक्स द साउंड क्वैक क्वैक. ओके. So these were let's know more about animals. So from this I am sure that you will get to know more about animals, just like the names and how they look, their shelters and how the shelters look, and the sounds the animals makes. Okay, so this was let's know more about animals, Toto the hen and jungle safari. And there is only one homework today. There is only one homework, that is you have to complete this. Means you have to make small spellings from these big words. Okay, do complete your homework.